Good morning, TK, and welcome to Calendar Time. So today I thought we might do something a little different and switch up calendar time to English. Since we've been used to doing the calendar all year in Spanish, I thought it might be fun for us to get a little bit of practice of our days of the week in English as well. So I'm going to be going through the calendar with you guys, and we're going to be adjusting the days and the numbers to English as we go through. We're going to be talking about the month in English and the year and all of the different types of weather. Okay, so the first thing we're going to be doing is looking for that red little flashcard that shows us what day is it today? Where exactly are we on the calendar? Okay, and so I see that right here is my little red card, and I'm going to move my finger all the way up to the days of the week so that I can determine what day of the week it is today. Okay, so here it says miércoles, okay, and we know that in English, miércoles is Wednesday, right? The last time we did calendar together, it was Monday. Then yesterday was Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. And if today is Wednesday, tomorrow will be what day? Thursday. Very good. I know you guys know your days of the week in English really well as well. So that's a good job. Okay, so today is Wednesday. We're going to come back down to the little red card. Now, in Spanish, we would normally say, hoy es miércoles, el día. We know this number as 20, right? 20. But today, this number is, we're going to talk about it in English. The 2 and the 0, when combined, is the number 20. Okay, so today is Wednesday, the 20th of Mayo. And in English, we say Mayo, May, right? It's almost the same. We just take out that O. It's just a little bit shorter, the word, okay? So today is Wednesday, the 20th of May. And we are in the year 2020. Okay, there's that number 20 again that we saw down here. Very good. The season that we are in is the spring season. And remember that in the spring season, we have a lot of sunshine, a lot of rain, and all of the flowers start to grow, right? We start to see all of those blooming trees and fruits and flowers blooming all around us as we prepare for the summer. The weather starts to get warmer, and we start to spend out more time outside, and the days get longer, which means that the sun just stays out a little bit longer and we have more daylight. Okay, so what I would like you to do right now is to take a second to go take a peek outside of a window and try to determine what is the weather like outside today. Okay, and remember there's lots of different types of weathers. We can have cold, rainy, hot, sunny, snowy weather. So go take a peek. If you want to pause this video, you can go ahead and do so now. And when you come back, we are going to go through our weather cards and talk about both of those types of weathers in English and in Spanish. Okay, so let's continue. Is it partly cloudy outside? Parcialmente nublado. That means that we can see the sun peeking behind some clouds. There's some clouds in the sky, but we see that sun peeking through. Partially cloudy, okay? Partially cloudy, parcialmente nublado. Next is hace viento. Is it windy outside? Are the trees blowing? Are there leaves flying in the streets? Okay. The next card is soleado. Is it sunny outside? Okay, and we can tell this means sunny because we see that sun shining nice and bright. Next one is frío. Hace frío afuera. Is it cold outside? And a sign that this means cold is that we see all of these icicles hanging right here. We know that icicles are formed when it's very cold. Está caliente afuera. Is it hot outside? Okay, we see this desert backdrop. We know that in the desert habitats, they are very, very hot. Is it cloudy outside? Está nublado. Is the sun not visible? And is it snowing? I highly doubt that it is snowing outside, but if you live in the mountains, that might be a possibility. So thank you guys so much for joining in today for the calendar time. I hope you will continue on to your Spanish lesson where we will be speaking in Spanish. and continue your lessons throughout the day. Please make sure that you do your songs and dances this morning and you get in those stretches. And keep those brains working very sharply. I will see you next Monday for our next calendar time. Bye bye, TK.